going today? What day is it?
Saturday, day 3.
She wasn't even that good. We was doing the finger thing first and then her thing, and then she did it again, and she did it again. I was like...
I was literally stuck behind the girl like, come on. She was like, it's not working. I was like,
She did the finger thing, and then she was like...
she was literally like, 1, 2, and I was like, nuh-uh, honey. Just rolling, I wasn't stuck, I was rolling around.
Right, Karen?
We're gonna just wait in line and then from there. That one.
You broke your glasses.
We've just been on Mount Everest. Was it good, Anne? No. It wasn't good.
I
don't know if they do different tracks.
I don't know.
Do they have different tracks? I don't know.
No, I don't think so. I think it's the first time we've been at the back of it though.
Yeah, I think
it just seemed a lot shorter, a lot slower.
But I didn't get a deal.
Good catch.
Look at that camera. Yeah. But now we're going to go ahead to do Dino Land and... No, we're not.
Doing Kali River Rapids and then we're doing Navi River and then Dino.
Oh, we've got Navi River.
Yeah, because we have... Navi River is 10:55 to 11:55 and then Dino's 12. But we don't have fast pass for Kali, so we're going to do that now while it's quieter.
Yeah, okay. Much difference.
Nope.
My shorts have decided to vanish. Yeah, mine do that. Feel my shorts.
What?
Feel my shorts.
Do I feel it? Water bottle's going to go flying. The water bottle's going to go flying. That's right.
It's fine. Not going anywhere.
Great, we're going backwards. Why do I always go backwards? Huh? Yeah, it's just the string or something. Huh?
Where's your hand go?
Back home. It's too big in your pocket. With a stick.
In a toilet, yeah. I think it's going to spin.
As soon as it drops into water, yeah. It doesn't come around. Oh, you got to get wet, Karen. Oh, shit. Ah!
You're like, it's gonna spin.
You've got that on time lapse.
Wow.
I thought that was going to receive.
Yeah, I thought it was going to go away as well.
I just watched the other people go through that and didn't do that.
I didn't think I got that wet last time.
I just watched it go over your feet. I just closed my eyes and heard the screams.
Huh?
I just closed my eyes and heard the screams.
I just saw the water come right over. I was like, oh, no.
When you went, oh yeah, guys.
I thought you were going to get away from that side one. Break your face.
They were like that wet. I think you definitely.
I didn't see anyone this wet off
My
when they
back
walked off.
is like.
They probably had the ponchos on. Oh, it's a big drop there. Oh, don't go backwards again. Why? No. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. No. Why? Why? Whoa. Oh, there's so much water. There was so much water then.
You're like facing next to Karen. She's basically drowned.
Yeah, I know. Did you get a lot of that as well?
I'm so cool.
That won't get you. Oh. I feel like I've been swimming. Soaks.
You know how people swim in t-shirt?
Huh? What's up there?
I just targeted you.
Oh, nice. Is that it? Whoa. Jesus.
I think you would.
The Kaya River Rapids, and these two definitely won. We're getting so wet. You can't even tell that you're wet until you see your dry patches.
My butt is the wettest thing in the world.
It was really fun though.
Like I said, don't sit next to Karen. Yeah.
Pandora in the day. Come here for a fast pass for flights, no, for the Navi River, but all the rides are down. The Satu'li Canteen, see there, and the food, you can build it on the inside. You can build it all yourself, and it's absolutely incredible. It smells amazing. It's like, it's so excited to eat it. So these are like cheeseburger pods, and these are like deconstructed salads. And you get to choose the base. I've got tofu, hash browns, and it's a black bean vinaigrette. And it's so good. Review on the food. Good review.
Really good review. It was tasty, it was nice.
Wow. It's good. The best quick service I've had.
Ever.
Let's say so,
In your
yeah.
life?
It's completely It's completely different.
It's so good.
There's a lizard.
What?
Oh, hi.
He really likes it too. You like your bowl, man? The food was so nice. It was so good, and the tofu was really, really, really good. As a vegetarian, it was one of the best meals I think I'll be able to get in the entire Disney World parks. All of them. It was so good, and I hope we're going to come back and get the buns, but everything's closed.
Pandora, all the rides in Pandora are still closed, and dinosaurs closed. So all our fun passes are closed. Due to safety issues.
What does that even mean?
The woman said in the queue.
What happened? Leaving the park now because everything's down. The safari wasn't on, dinosaur wasn't working, nothing in.
The whole of Pandora shut down.
Yeah. And we've already done Everest.
And they said that the majority of them are not going to come back on the whole day.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're massive butterflies.
So we're gonna go back and chill for a bit and then head to Disney Springs and play some golf. We were planning on going to play a round of golf and go to Disney Springs, but changed of plan because earlier, because everything was cancelled in the park, we had a free all-day fast pass for the Pandora River ride. I can't remember its name right now. So we're going to go there and then head to Disney Springs to get something to eat.
Is that one of your new ones?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What colour's your hair?
Purple.
What colour's your face?
Red.
Jessie's back again.
Hello.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Officially in the queue. The fast pass queue. The Navi River journey. Oh no. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Whoa. We're in. I'm sure they really long. In approximately about 5 minutes and we're here, and the standby queue is 1:05. Not done too bad. Hello from the other the Navi River journey, and it was really good. Because we waited 5 minutes though. I wouldn't queue 100.
105 minutes.
Probably more now.
Yeah. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but it's literally like a walkthrough.
Yeah. That's it really. The singing's good.
Yeah,
And the animatronic was so
really,
it
really
actually did the animatronic freak you out a bit?
Which one?
I like that.
The big one, the one that was
I
singing.
didn't notice that for a while.
But it didn't freak me out like that, but it freaked me out like the fact that
I thought it was pretty impressive.
The work
yeah, it was so realistic, and I was like, its limbs were moving very freely and
She was singing.
I know she was singing.
Cushions on the seats.
Yeah. Cushions. We all sat down and we were like, boom. But yeah. Other than that,
it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but it's just very, very slow. It's like 2 minutes of.
Could do being an actual water ride, like.
But I think it's because little kids, like, there's no height limit on it.
you can just get on and do it.
Just get on and do it. So it's like for little children and stuff, it's pretty magical.
River rapids.
Didn't end the vlog last night because we went to Disney Springs and it absolutely hammered down. So I didn't want to get my camera out, and then when we got back I was really tired. But it was a good day, all in all, and today is another day, so I'll see you then. Bye!